get a fake hairline. It's called like a baby hair type shit. I don't know, some people be having this shit when they grow up. Sheesh. Bro, this shit looks fire, bro. Well, you can use tissue, but I recommend using like say man, what's good YouTube, bro? What's good? Hey man, I don't know if you can see me that good, cause like I have to make this shit a little bit down, but man, it is what it is, bro. You know what I'm saying? I just finished with my bar right now, and I'm gonna show you all my drip and my fake hairline, like how this shit get down, bro. You know what I'm saying? I got a fucked up hairline, and I can make a hairline with my hair, bro. So I'm gonna take you all to the creative division of how I do that shit, bro. Let's get into the shit in a bit, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going with this t-shirt. If y'all see this tee from my couple live videos already, cause I don't got like a lot of drip, you know what I'm saying? But man, this is just a little something. I love this t-shirt because I'm a fan of like Man City. I know, bro, if you're a fan of Man City, comment down below, bro. Let's know ourselves, bro. If you're a fan of Man City, comment down below, bro. And bro, let's get this too. For your like content type shit. Bro, I love this belt, bro. This is one of these. Oh no, I got another belt, bro. You think that shit like some people say that shit magic, or that shit like transition and shit. I'm gonna be going with this blue pants. It's kind of like I can see some stains though. But man, I don't give a fuck, bro. I don't got no fucking girlfriend or something like that, so I ain't scared, bro. You feel me? I'm just gonna wear this shit, bro. I'm not gonna lie. This shit, my favorite. Hey man, peep the drip. I'm gonna get my chain on and my like protect on, you feel what I'm saying? But I'm gonna show you all how I get my hairline done, bro, in a minute. I'm gonna show you all how I get like my fake hairline for my hair. Basically, you're gonna be using a gel if you're in like Africa or basically Nigeria, you know what I'm saying? You literally have to know about this shit. If you're like a female especially, you have to know about this so fine hair styling gel. And I use like my hair brush, you feel what I'm saying, to like make it look so good, you feel me? So I'm just gonna take you all through the whole process, bro. Basically, first what you do is like you gotta have water in your hair so that it's gonna be soft. Basically, you can't do this on like everybody's hair, bro. Basically, the kind of hair I have in my forehead that make me actually like get a fake hairline. It's called like a baby hair type shit. I don't know, some people be having this shit when they grow up, and some people like they don't be having this shit, you feel what I'm saying? So I'm gonna basically first of all put the gel on my forehead where I'm actually gonna get a fake hairline, you feel what I'm saying? I'm gonna put it, you gotta spread it all through, bro, so that like no places won't be. I can actually do this shit without the gel, bro. The gel just like to make it last longer and shit like that, you feel what I'm saying? That like basically the main like reason why you have to like put it, you feel me? But y'all gonna see the finished product, bro. No cap, it's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be crazy, bro, for real. Bro, hold on. Hold on. Now is the time for the hairbrush. It's actually a toothbrush, but we gotta make it a hairbrush. Type shit. You gotta make it go through. Bring all the hairs down to the front. All the hairs gotta be at the front. After you get all the hair down to the front, you have to like give it like the way you when you at the barber shop, they be like carving or shaving your shit. You gotta get it like that, bro. Sheesh. Bro, this shit look fire, bro. This shit look fire, bro. Hey man, I think someone calling me.
Here I come. Oh, here.
But that was one of my crazy ants, bro. My camera almost fell off, bro. What? That's gonna collect money for her. And bro, I'm gonna call this shit. Hey man, I'm back. So after you like get that shit done, you have to like take a piece to like get, because there's gonna be some like particle of the gel you're using at the forehead. So you gotta like take that shit off with a piece of cloth. You can use tissue, but I recommend using like cloth you ain't using no more. You feel me? I recommend you using that shit, bro. Hey man, peep the hairline, bro. What is he talking about, bro? This shit look crispy, bro. Don't play with me. Shit look good. I be getting my eyebrows done too, bro. Type shit. Bro, peep the hairline. Damn. Oh my gosh. Bro, this shit fake. Yo, this shit tough. This shit tough, bro. I ain't gonna cap, this shit tough, bro. For real. But hey man, say man, this is how I like be getting my fake hairline. I don't got no real hairline. I got fucked up hairline. Oh my god! Oh. You feel me? I got a fucked up hairline, bro. The whole feet done, the patek and the chain are done. Niggas outside making fucking noise. I don't know what the fuck you talking about, bro. But hey, peep the hairline again, bro. Shit, I can't stop, bro. This shit look good, bro. What could be talking about? Hey, peep the hairline. Peep that shit, y'all. Peep this shit. But it is what it is. I'm heading back to my pops crib, you know what I'm saying? I actually did a prank video on my pops. Watch this video right here, you feel what I'm saying? I did a prank video on my pops. The link to develop that video is gonna be in the description. So I actually he was mad at me, so I actually have to leave his crib to my grandma's crib. But now we cool, we good, you feel me? And now I'm going back home, bro. I'm going back to where I'm from, bro. You feel what I'm saying? So I'm gonna be creating reaction videos, personal videos, gaming vlog, you know what I'm saying? I was in my grandma's crib. I didn't bring my working equipment, bro. So if you'll see, I posted 2 videos in a week, and It wasn't supposed to be so, bro. You feel me? I was supposed to post like 7, 8, 12 videos in a week, bro. Cause we're coming hard on YouTube right now. We're going crazy. Shout out to the 2 views I be having on my videos, 10 views, 28 views. I'm hoping one day we're gonna go up, bro. You feel what I'm saying? I don't know, one day we're gonna go up. Thank God, it is what it is. One day, hopefully, we get monetized and shit. Start making money off this grind, of this work. You feel what I'm saying? Man, motivation, bro. Motivation, discipline, patience is the key. You feel me? I know I'm not like a motivational speaker, but bro, do what you gotta do to get that bag, bro. Whatever you gotta do to get that bag, bro, do that shit. You feel what I'm saying? But hey man, say man, I hope you'll stay safe out there. Stay peaceful. Be humble, you feel what I'm saying? And bro, keep doing your thing, bro. God's gonna elevate everybody. Everybody gonna eat. Everybody gonna win. And bro, I'm off. Peace.
She know I'm a method. And fucking with me is a blessing. Aside from my BM, I don't give a fuck about exes. It's me and PBM. We taking your hoes, we reckless. Hit Courtney and PM. And hey, I'm fucking Alexis.